So let's talk about the Alde system fitted to your 𝗚𝗲𝘃 motorhome and caravan. Now this one unit powers both the hot water and heats the interior cabin space, and it can work from two different power sources, 230 volts or gas. Now it's a wet central heating system, and what I mean by that, it's like the central heating you have at home. So you have heated fluid passing through radiators, which gives a really quiet, uniform heat. But how do you control it? Well, it's all done from this control panel. So to wake the control panel up, we press the power button and then we wait for the menu screen. Now the menu screen will show you various different things. It shows us we're plugged into a hookup. It shows the interior temperature, the time, the energy source being used, and the hot water. And now we're going to go through each section to show you how to control it. So we'll start with the time at the top. Press the time, and if you need to change it, you can do so with these arrows. And then we go back to the menu screen. Interior temperature, be nice if it was 18 in here, so we press that. In fact, let's turn it up to 19, and that's the heating sorted. Press the top arrow to go back to the menu screen. Energy source. Now at the moment, we are on 1 kilowatt of electric. We can change that. We can have 0, 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt, or 3 kilowatt. So what I'll do is I'll change it to 2 kilowatt, and I'll turn it on with gas as well, because you can use a mixture. If you're using a mixture of gas and electric, it heats up quickly, and then it will go back to electric alone. Again, top arrow to change, go back to the menu screen, and then hot water. Press the icon, and then we have 3 settings here. We have off, we have on, we have boost. Now on is your normal hot water, but if you're planning to use a bit more, you can put it onto boost. And then that prioritizes the hot water over the heating, and if you're planning to have a shower, you'll stay nice and warm. Let's turn it off and back to the main menu. And a few important notes to make: because it uses radiators, be sure not to block any vents with cushions or blankets. And if you get any error messages, consult your handbook or your local 𝗚𝗃𝘃 retailer.